Hello, everybody. My name is Melanie Erdman. I am from West and Main Homes. I am a real estate agent broker out of the Denver, Colorado area. And I'm really excited because West and Main Homes has recently partnered up with a company called Knock. Yes, like as in knock on the door. And they are a nationwide company. And what they do is they offer solutions for homeowners that want to buy and sell at the same time. So they have a couple different options that they provide. So I thought I would bring a representative from Knock to go over some of those options and better explain to the homeowners, excuse me, what they can do for you. So this is Montana Brewer, I'm sorry, Montana Brewer, and she's from Knock. So tell me, Montana, what are some of the, I guess, scenarios that you could explain to kind of better help people understand what it is that Knock can do for homeowners?
Absolutely. Thanks, Melanie. So Knock provides a home swap service, which is an innovative loan program that allows your clients to buy their new home before they sell or even list their existing property. And the home swap is the perfect solution for customers who are buying and selling at the same time, giving them the power to unlock the equity in their existing home to use towards the purchase of their new home without all of the hassles and stress of the normal process. That way, homeowners will be able to make non-contingent offers, move quickly on homes of interest, and their listings will look fantastic with our home prep assistance. So in any Knock home swap scenario, we do encourage the homeowner to get their property eligibility and condition checked through Knock and get pre-approved for their loan. Then they are free to make offers and go under contract before ever putting their home on the market or even doing any repairs or updates to their home. Once they move into the new home, we're able to help prep the home while it's vacant with whatever cosmetic improvements are needed before listing and selling the home for the max value.
So let's say there's a homeowner and they've been thinking about moving, but they've been looking at the market and nothing's come on, so they've kind of been dragging their feet and their house isn't quite ready to put on the market yet because they have some projects they want to finish up, but they see something that comes on the market like their ideal house that they've been waiting for, and they're kind of in this bind because they haven't put their house on the market. So how would Knock solve this problem?
In that scenario, again, they don't need to have put their house on the market. We do want them to be pre-approved and to have their condition checked, but they would be able to move on that home without having done any of those repairs or having listed their home. And then all of that stuff gets done after they've closed on the new home and moved in. So they have plenty of time to get that done afterwards.
Okay, so they could put an offer on this new house and not have a sales contingency? Is that what you're saying in that offer?
Yep, so no sales contingency. Even our pre-approval is fully underwritten, so there's really no financing contingency either. So we do that fully underwritten pre-approval in-house, so you know that they will be closing on that new home.
Great. Yeah, right now, August 2020, we are in an extreme seller's market, and in most areas in Denver. And so when sellers put their house on the market, it typically goes under contract within a couple days. And what they find is, stacks and stacks of offers. And if they see that there's an offer with a sales contingency, they typically, throw that in the garbage or put that at the bottom of the pile because you have all these other offers without sales contingencies. So Knock is providing a solution so you can put together an offer without a sales contingency. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Let's say that they want to put some, final touches on their house, but all their money is wrapped up into their house. You said that you had a program that allows them to tap into that equity.
So we will advance up to $25,000 to do cosmetic improvements and repairs on their existing property to help maximize its value and look its best once it does hit the market. The homeowner pays a 1.25% fee at the new home closing, plus their typical closing costs and lender fees. However, we are not charging an origination fee, which is typically about 1%. And then when their old home closes, they will pay back our Knock Home Swap Advance Funds, which is a 0% interest bridge component that covers a portion of the down payment on their new home, the up to $25,000 in repairs on their existing property that we just mentioned, and up to 6 months of mortgage payments on their old house while it's listed.
So they buy a new house, and that mortgage payment on their old house, you guys take care of it. Is that right?
Yep, so you're only paying one mortgage at a time, and then that gets paid back out of the proceeds of the sale.
And why is this different from any of the iBuyer programs out there?
This is vastly different from iBuyer programs because we are allowing the home to be sold on the open market where it's guaranteed to fetch a higher price tag than the lowball offers that are being given by iBuyers. But at the same time, we're offering all the convenience iBuyers give you by allowing you to not live in your home while it's listed, so you don't need to deal with showings and constantly cleaning up the house, especially right now with COVID.
Right, right. That's really important. I have a lot of people that are concerned. They don't want these people coming into their house, having to, sanitize it every time and just taking that risk. So this offers a solution for that as well, which is awesome. So thank you, Montana, for joining us. And let me know, you guys, if you want any more information on this or you want to get the process started. I'm happy to help. Thanks. Bye.